Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well, enjoying your life. Today we are going to learn how to create a Gmail account. I know that it is a basic topic and you know very well how to create a Gmail account, but some of my students requested to me that how to create a Gmail account, please tell us. So now I have brought this video for them. That you want to skip this video, you can skip it because I know what is basic topic, and you can wait for my next video. Inshallah, it will be beneficial for you. Okay, so guys, let us start our video or lecture. You can see create. Just you will have to go on the Google and search here create a Gmail account. Okay, and create a Gmail account, you will have to search over here and just here you have linked this on page, and here you will have to click on for myself. Here for myself, here you will have to write your first name. First name, it means your name. Okay, so here, sorry to see like my name is Sayal, and like the last name is Qureshi. Here you can write your caste. Okay, here the username comes. Username means like your Gmail address where you can get mails and anything else. Okay, whatever you want as username you can put here. If it will be available, it will be shown here. Otherwise Google will suggest you automatically a username. You will have to just select that. Okay, here you will have to give the password, and I'm giving here password. You will have to hide your password from everyone. Don't give your password to anyone. Okay, so here, and the next you will have to hit the next button here. Like you will have to give the phone number of your mobile. So here give it. Here you will have to put on next, and now here you will get verification code on your mobile. Okay, and this verify, and here you will have to give your Gmail address, like recovery Gmail address. If you have any one other Gmail address, अगर आपके पास कोई दूसरी Gmail address है तो आप वो दे दें, इसके थ्रू जो है आप recover कर सकते हैं. ठीक, and here we'll have to give birth month. So I'm giving this and this and this, and here you'll have to give the gender and next. Okay, here I am in, and here you'll have to hit on I agree, and now you have created your own account. Here you can see your account is ready. Okay, here are some options of Gmail ID, and now your account is ready. You can use it and you can search it. You can sign in at anywhere from this account. Okay, I hope you have learned something from this video and understood about it and everything. If you have any type of query, you can mention in the comment. Inshallah, we will meet soon in the next video. Until that, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.